In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete comments in Canva. If you've ever collaborated on a design and ended up with old feedback cluttering your screen, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove a comment cleanly and keep your project organized. Start by opening the specific Canva project you're working on. Make sure you're in the correct file, since comments are tied to each project and even to specific pages within that project. Once your design is open, look toward the top right of the screen. That's where the comment panel lives. You'll usually see a speech bubble icon. Clicking it opens the panel, which lists all the comments associated with your design. You can also find comment markers directly on the canvas if someone left feedback pinned to a specific spot. Either way, the goal is to locate the exact comment you want to remove. When you've found the comment, select it in the panel so it's clear which one you're focusing on. Now hover your mouse over that comment. As you hover, a small menu icon with 3 dots appears. This is the More Options menu for that specific comment. Click the 3 dots, then choose Delete. That's it. The comment is removed from the thread and no longer appears in your project. A couple of helpful notes as you do this. If you don't see the 3-dot icon right away, make sure you're actually hovering your mouse over the comments area in the panel. Also, your ability to delete a comment may depend on your role and permissions in the design. If the delete option isn't available, you might be in view-only mode or working on a design where you don't have edit rights. Switching to an editing role or asking the project owner for the right access should resolve that. Keep in mind that deleting a comment only removes that single piece of feedback. It doesn't affect the rest of your design, and it won't delete other comments unless you repeat the same process for them. This is helpful when you want to clear completed tasks, remove duplicates, or tidy up discussion threads after a round of revisions. To recap the flow you'll use each time, open your project, find the comment in the top right comment panel, hover to reveal the 3 dots, click those dots, and select Delete. With that simple sequence, you can keep your Canva workspace clean, focused, and ready for your next edit.